What is good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I finally got this one thing that I wanted for a dumb long. It is a reverse camera. So this radio actually works with a reverse camera. It just never came with the radio. You have to order it separately. So I finally got it. Literally just gotta put it behind my license plate in the rear and then hook these wires up behind the radio, which is gonna suck because I just finally got this to sit perfectly and not have to take it apart again. But I knew this was coming, so I'm gonna take the radio back out, show you guys how to plug it up and how I'm gonna get this to go from here to the trunk. So I kind of already wired up the radio. I haven't tested it yet, but I'll show you guys what I did, and then I'll test it off camera and then show you after what I did. Don't mind this rat's nest, but basically this is part of the harness for the reverse camera. So you plug this thing back here into the RCIN reverse camera, and then there is one wire that goes to reverse camera, this pink wire that's coming off of the yellow thing that goes to the reverse camera, and then this red wire here is for ignition. So I have it hooked up to the radio ignition, so when you turn the key on, you already know things get power. And then basically what I did with this wire is I put it underneath the center console and then wrapped it up here, and then I pulled all of this stuff out, brought the wires all the way back down here, all the way to the back of the car, put it behind all of this stuff so you can't see it, and then I put it through here as well. And then to the wires that go to the trunk, I basically traced it all the way up here into here, and then got it up to here. I wired the reverse camera to the reverse light, so when you go in reverse, oh my god, so when you go into reverse, basically the light would tell the camera to come on basically. And then there's a ground wire right here for ground, so wired up to the reverse light ground. Now when I plug it up and tested it, it should work. So I'm watching this right now, I'm like, why did I even wire the reverse camera to the license plate lights? Like, it's just busted my head. Like, whose idea was this? So because the wire is back here, I have to now use a whole separate wire and trace it from back here, from this plug, one of these wires over here. Does this thing come out? I don't even remember which one it was when I tested it, but one of these lights goes to the reverse light. One of these signal connections, it goes to the reverse light. So when I remember which one it is, I will show you guys it. But for right now, I'm gonna basically rewire it from the radio, the pink cable from the radio. I'll show you guys. Basically gonna rewire it from this pink wire right here, which is for this pink wire right here, which is for the reverse camera. So I'm gonna rewire it. I'm gonna be using some wire that Sean gave me. So basically I'm gonna wire this up, wrap it back here again, take all of this off, put it behind the carpet, and then go all the way back there through that hole right there, and then wire it up to the reverse light. For some reason, I guess maybe because I was tired or whatever, I wired it up to the license plate lights. And also because because the camera was right there in that section too. That's probably like what got me confused as well. Like, so we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna wire it up to the right thing. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna have a good vlog, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. So I got my wire across. I'm gonna plug it up to pin number 5, which would be this blue and yellow wire right here at the very top, and plug it in real quick. And we should have the reverse camera on now. As you can see, it is pointed up to the sky because the trunk is open. So as you can see, into reverse, out of reverse, we're valid. Alright, so now I'm about to wire it up to pin number 5, put everything back together, and we should be good. Now that I'm done with the reverse camera, I'm gonna do with this fuel pump. So basically I'm gonna be taking my fuel pump stuff and putting it on here because my level sensor is not working, so I'd be having the incorrect fuel amount, so I'm just gonna change all of this right now. So this is the setup. I'm hoping this works, honestly. So I got the fuel pump in and my gas gauge is actually working now. No more having to second guess to figure out whether if I have fuel in the car or not. Sometimes I would hit a bump and the gas gauge would go to 0 and empty and it would just stay there for eternity. So I'm glad it's fixed now. I don't gotta guess anymore about anything. We're valid. And the clutch, let me show you something. You see that? Clutch is busting again. I can finally drive. Now, since it's getting hot, I need AC. Gotta get AC because it's dumb hot in here. Look at this guy. Yeah. We're at some spot in Harlem. I guess it's called Charles. We're about to film something real quick, eat some eats, and then we might go skate after that. I'm not too sure yet, but we will see what happens. We're quick behind the scenes real quick. What are you making?
We're making catfish. We're frying catfish. We're frying some chicken. We're trying some collard greens. They saying that Harlem. Yeah. Saying Harlem got the best soul food. That's what you saying? Yeah. Yams too? Yeah. They got yams. They got white rice. They got mac and cheese. I'm a big mac and cheese fan too. What's your favorite dish?
So today we eating soul food. We got Pedro chefing it up today.
On the count of 3, we gotta rate this place between 1 through 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 6,
7.5.
9, 7.5. It was busting. I think 6.
It's cornbread busting, man. Now the chicken was OD busting.
Chicken was
Nah, the chicken was busting.
Chicken was definitely busting.
So we just finished up the shoot in Eden. We are about to go further into the city. I think we're gonna go to a bar to go watch the Knicks games. Maybe I'll film some of that, maybe I won't. If not, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Damn, we just got to the car meet and this is the first thing I see. This shit is sick. This shit is lowered. Right hand drive E36 Vert. Now Millennium Jade E30. I don't even know if that's actually the color, but this color is kind of sick. I'm not really feeling the tan interior though.
There's a Game Boy Color in there. That's the OG.
They got this yellow Type R on the TEs. Yellow seats, yellow cage. Techno Violet, Daytona Valley E36 wagon. This thing is clean. Red 993. Wow, look at this 997, bro. This color is OD. This is a great color. These wheels gotta go. I know they're stock wheels, but they're not it. I don't even know if you guys remember this car or not, but when I went to BMW in Richfield up in Connecticut, they had this E30 here. He has a matching car. He has like a bunch of little miscellaneous E30 things inside the car that are like mad cool. You got the Lego. You got the same seats I got with the interior. Carbon fiber steering wheel is crazy. And he got the cell phone. He got both cell phones. You got this Mach 1 Rabbit. Those are kind of sick. The cage and all that. That's crazy. I don't even know if this is an S4 or A4, but this shit is OD clean. Color busting, rims busting. Mike brought his car too. British Racing 336. Car seat. This is 993. What do you guys feel about the wheels on this Mach 3? This bumper is low-key cooking me. Low-key, I would get this car. Got the homie Tom's Porsche right here. This shit is kind of sick, not gonna lie. He said he just got it too. Yeah, we are about to head out. Car meet was kind of mid, so yeah.